Seriously, if y'all should have been here earlier. Take down your socks. No, I'm not gonna do that. They're comfortable. They're compression socks, and if I roll them down, they're gonna be tight, and it's just not gonna be comfortable. Plus, I didn't shave my legs. Don't judge me. It's a lot of work. Hence the socks. You love me. Oh, yeah, that's so sweet. But yeah, I'm going to be leaving in like 15 minutes because I got to print off some paperwork for my dad. My dad's been having computer problems, so I've been his little techie go-to. So I need to print off some stuff for him. And I was going to make dinner, and I hope my produce ain't bad now. Are you a mermaid? Every man in the world dreams. Adam! Alright, you're coming at me with the corny, romantical fairy tale stuff. Well done. Ramona, if I cook, because now I'm so dog tired, I was going to make my bomb-ass sauce. Thank you, Jose. I like me too. I was going to make my bomb-ass sauce. Aw, I love hugs. Oh, Batman! That's funny. That's my boyfriend. My boyfriend calls himself Batman when we get takeout and stuff. It's the same name for the order. He calls himself Batman. I call myself Tinkerbell. I was going to make my bomb-ass sauce, which is really just a bed of roasted tomatoes, onions, feta cheese, oil, seasoning, and a ton of garlic. Let's feel. But yeah, so my bomb-ass sauce is delicious. Adam, you are a fashion model. Trying to be. Dude, I call it bomb-ass sauce because it is bomb-ass. I make pizza with it. I put it on pasta. It's full of vegetables. Someone earlier was saying something about calorie deficit, eating vegetables. I bet you, yeah. Like, it is so freaking good. It is good. I've spent years perfecting it. I saw a recipe online years ago, and since I saw it, I've made my own, experimenting with it over and over. And I will do a live stream when I make it. Bad fish. They had to remove my wings because I was too powerful with them. Sorry. I'd show you if I could. But yeah, that bomb-ass sauce is bomb-ass for a reason. It's my favorite. And so, yeah, someone came at me like, you need calorie deficit. You love my face? I love my face too. Thank you. But they're saying calorie deficit and eat my vegetables. I'm like, sir, I do eat my vegetables. This sauce is literally nothing but vegetables. It's literally tomatoes, red onion, a heck ton of garlic, olive oil seasoning, and feta cheese. And it's fucking amazing. And then when I make my breakfast casserole bake, it's full of potatoes, onions, sausage, refried beans. Beans are great for you. And eggs and cheese. So when I make food, I make it pretty damn healthy. I love that cheese. Oh, feta is so good. I freaking love feta cheese. It's so good. But yeah, it's easier to digest than cow cheese. So when you put the feta cheese in the sauce, it gives it the tang, it gives it protein, and it's more easily digestible. You're welcome. You love my hair? I love it too. Thank you. Thank you. Mabarky, thank you. She's a respectable woman who deserves. You're damn right, Adam, I do. And I am. Goodness. Dustin. Not gonna do that. Also, I don't got none right now. So, how are you, Tinkerbell? I am good, JM. How are you? I am good. Thank you. My goodness, I love this shirt. I love the skirt. I love something. Sorry, Dustin. Yeah, I don't got any to show off right now. Also, I don't. Yeah. Nice cut in the haircut. Thank you, beautiful angel. Not married. I have a boyfriend. So cute from UK. No, I'm not married, but I have a boyfriend, and I am from Texas. I have a boyfriend. Not married. I'm from Texas. Great state, Texas. Born and raised. Can you cross the other? Oh shoot, now my knee's giving me problems. Hold on. Ouch. I hate this chair, it squeaks so damn much. But yeah, I told y'all before, I got joint problems, so if I don't do something, you're a diamond? Let's feel. Thank you. Diamond's my birthstone, by the way. I'm an April baby. What are you doing, Tinkerbell Beautiful? Well, I'm doing this. I'm hanging out down the street. I don't know what the words are. Not married. I have a boyfriend. Hello, have a good broadcast, madam. Thank you, Greg Bahan. The bar is raised. I don't know. I do need to finish up soon. Wow. Aw, thank you, JM. Thank you. Ooh, I need to stretch. Ooh, I'm tired. I forgot I did those butterflies too. Oh, I gotta stretch. Are you married? No, but I have a boyfriend. So I'm not on the market. I'm taken, guys. Sorry. I'm just stretching my shoulders right now. Okay. How long have you been with your boyfriend? I have been with Jordan for over a year. Well, technically, we were together for 2 years. We broke up. 7 years later, we got back together, and we've been together for over a year now. We both met at a homeschool prom. Yes, that is a thing. We're both homeschooled. And, we met at homeschool prom as teenagers. Yeah, I love him. He's a sweet, wonderful, respectable man. Pushes me to do my best. I've been telling him every day, like on the chat, everything, and he's always so excited for me and happy for me. You were a server for your husband? Is that how y'all met? Okay. My bun is doing a heart. Wait. I don't know how I did that. My bun is a little heart. Oh, that's so cute. Boyfriend message. Give me a girl summit. Barack. Thank you, Barack. Ramona, that's incredible. That's such a sweet romantic story. It's like, I was serving my husband before we met. And then we married. And now he serves me. That's how it would go for me. Ramona, that's incredible. Asked another server to ask him for his phone number. Ramona, you are so cute. Ramona, you are precious. I love you so much. Sorry, Adam. I have a boyfriend. I don't think your message. I'm sorry, Adam. I have a boyfriend. And also, I don't want kids right now. I love them, but I'm already too much to take care of, let alone adding a mini-me. Best wishes. Thank you, Mabarki. Thank you. I'm sorry, Adam. Do you want me to lie to you? 15 years later, the one who asked him for his phone number married us. Ramona, stop. You're killing me. 15 years later, asked him for his... Ramona, that is such a cheesy, romantic origin story, and I love it so much. That's so cute. Oh my gosh. Y'all are so sweet. Y'all are so fun. And I'm sorry, Adam. Didn't mean to break your heart. Sorry. Kicking ass, taking names, and apparently breaking hearts. I need to add that in. Do you have a sister who smiles like you? I'm the middle child of 2 sisters. My older sister just got married. And I don't think she has the same smile as me, but we do look similar. And then I have a younger sister, but she lives with her boyfriend. So I got sisters, but no one's on the market right now. Nice gams. Does that mean thighs? I can't remember. Thighs or calves. Either way, thank you. Thank you. You're my sister? Yeah, my older sister just got married. We got family meal packages from the restaurant we met for dinner that you got me? Ramona! Ramona, that sounds perfect. That sounds perfect. I'm so happy you had what you wanted. Brock, I am broadcasting from the great state of Texas in the US of A. Abdal, hello beautiful, you are shining. Thank you. Thank you. Y'all make me so happy. I really appreciate y'all. Do a 360 on that outfit because it's so cute. I have two sisters, Adam. I have two sisters. But they're both taken. Sorry. Sorry. The sisters are taken. It was nice chatting with you. You too, Ramona. If you gotta scoot, no worries. I'm gonna try and turn this off in a few minutes. The people are always disappointed, so you know. I try to be there. Try to be there for everyone. I am so full of myself. I'm just fucking around. But yes, if anyone needs to leave, you can leave. If you want to stay, you can stay. But I am leaving in a minute. I am leaving soon. Hugo, would you travel abroad with a group of female friends? Your dress is very beautiful. Thank you. You're so beautiful and charming. Imagine how you'll be after your workout. I think it'll take you. Yeah, Adele. I did 50 biceps curls, 40 skull crushers, 10 weighted squats, and 10 minutes on the elliptical, and 10 weighted butterflies. I am yoked. Yeah, I am exhausted. Thank you, Ramo. Yeah, so these clothes need to be washed. They're all sweaty and gross. Thanks, Ramona. Abdel, yeah, I kicked ass and took names. Yeah, trying to get stronger. Again, it looks dumb because of the sleeves. Your bride is beautiful, so is the skirt. Thank you, MA. Ramona, it has been such a pleasure. Barack, ooh, you're in Turkey. Hugo, well done, you're so fit. Thanks, Hugo. Thank you. Y'all are so nice. I appreciate y'all so much. But yes, nose, eye, mouth, so cute. Yeah, I like, oh no, it's coming out, my little heart bun, no. Ramo, you're so nice. My little heart bun's coming out, no, it was so cute. It's a little fluffy. All right, guys. You are so pretty the way you are. Aw, thank you, Chris. Asterisk. As long as your bold question is not inappropriate, you may ask. Sagittarius followed. Very cool. All right, Ramona, you take care. Enjoy your movie. Good job kicking ass today. I'm proud of you. It's not the clothes that are beautiful, it's you makes them. Abdal! You're so nice. I appreciate that very much. Thank you. Thank you. Y'all are so nice. Rafiq Makhtar. Aw, thank you. Y'all are so nice. Alright, guys. So, I am going to sign off because your girl is exhausted. Okay. I'm exhausted and I need to be a good daughter and help out my dad by printing off some paperwork he needs. You're fine, Adam. Yeah, you're fine. I'm not upset. No one's upset. I mean, or sad if anyone got their feelings hurt. But I do have to go. I know. Marco. Yes. Have you completed your lesson? Workout? Yeah. I am done for the day. I am exhausted. Yeep. Marco, yeep. Hi, Julio. Oh, thank you. All right, guys, you are so sweet. Oh, all right, for real, I'm falling off my chair. Joseph. Sorry. Ooh, that sucks. Anyway, okay. All right, guys, I am going. So if anyone wants to say goodbye, now is your chance, because I am leaving. Hi, Sammy. I'm going. Very good. I'm dying. You fucking know it. Hi. Okay, guys, I am leaving. So who else wants to say goodbye? Goodbye, everyone.